This is fried dumpling. It is so nice, man.
Go in with self-rising flour. It gives you the same effect on your dumplings, okay? So 4 cups of self-rising flour, a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going in with 4 tablespoons of butter. And as you notice, it's not melted butter because you do not want the butter to melt. So I scoop it out like this, and I'm using 4, so I'm going in with that. And we're doing fried dumpling. We need a little crunch, so we're using 1/2 cup of cornmeal. It's right here in my bowl. Shove that in there. And before you put any liquid in here, you want to make sure you're going to go in and, you know, distribute that butter throughout your flour. Okay, and I'm going to show you. So right here, you do not have to use gloves. You know, you can go in with your bare finger or whatever. But for me, I don't like when the flour goes under my nails. So you want to do it like this. Okay, you want to make sure that you're going to distribute this butter throughout your flour. You know, trying your best to get it evenly in the flour. That gives the flour a nice moist texture. Okay, so do it like that. It's like making patty dough or pastry dough. You get that crumbly feeling. Okay, so do it like that. Now right here, I'm going in with milk. If you never try milk in your flour, you can definitely try milk. Milk is really good. But in my milk, I have 3 tablespoons of sugar. All right, because we're making some nice festival dumpling. When you pour in your milk, you want to make sure you don't pour it one time. You pour and then fold. Okay, guys, just like that. You pour and fold. Pour and fold until your milk is finished. In my milk, it's 1.5 cup, okay? So this is where I am at with all my ingredients. So now I'm gonna go in with water. And as you can see, the water got a cloudy look. It's the same cup that I used with the milk, okay? You do not want to rinse it out. You're gonna do the same thing. Fold. Now there's a difference between needing a dough for boiling dumpling and also for frying dumpling. Boiled dumpling, you want to make it harder, but when you're going to fry your dumpling, please make sure that your dough is a little soft. Okay, not soft where it can come together, but soft enough so when you fry your dumpling, you get that nice crunch on the outside, but it's nice and soft on the inside. All right, here's my dough. All right, that's my dough, y'all. So it looks a little shiny. I dip my hand in the oil and I just rub it across my stuff. Now we're gonna have some flour over here so that we can, you know, roll our dough in our hand and put it in the pot. So for me, I don't like when my dumpling is round. I like it not round in a circle, but I like it. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. My oil is being put to hot, and I'm putting a little piece of flour for tester. All those little bubbles is an indication that your oil is hot and ready, y'all. Ready for some nice dumplings. All right. So now I have my dumpling in my hand, just a little piece of dough, sorry. And this is how I'm telling you that I like my dumplings. Press with the heel of my wrist. Some people do it where it's a more fat round circle, but I like to make that circle but press the center of my dumplings. That's how I like it. All right, put it in the pot and let it fry. For right here, I am definitely going to show y'all another one. This is how I make it. So, you know, get that dough nice and neat. Round and then press again. Press. Yes, y'all. Some people like it round, like a big round circle, like a ball. But I like to press the belly because I do not like too much dough in my dumplings. Okay, so that's it, guys. So here we go, y'all. So look at this dumpling. Yes, honey, that's what you want, okay? nice golden dumpling. And like I said, you get the same rise if you use baking powder in your flour, okay? And this is the self-rising one. Yes. So this is how I do my dumpling. Each time I put one in there, I keep turning my dumpling, okay? Let it fry a couple minutes on one side and I turn it. That way, in the middle of my dumpling, get time to cook properly. And then you don't want to fry your dumpling on too much high heat. The outside is going to be nice and brown, but on the inside it's going to be raw. So here you go, y'all. I'm showing you all a tester. Don't mind my background. I have to keep muting my background noise because my family. So yes, guys, and I'm having this with some mackerel and all of that. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Mackerel and fried dumpling, always the best.